Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open Subaru Outback Hood. Pull the interior hood release lever on the driver's side until you hear a pop, then move to the front of the vehicle. Feel under the hood center edge to find the secondary latch and push it to the side while lifting the hood. Secure the hood with the prop rod or use the built-in lift support to hold it open safely. Start inside the car with a calm, steady motion to avoid frustrating the mechanism. Open the driver door and kneel to view the kick panel area, then pull the hood release lever confidently until you hear the hood move. If the hood does not pop, try a firmer pull while a helper gently presses the hood front to relieve pressure. Always keep fingers clear of pinch points when testing the release. Approach the front of the car with the hood slightly raised and slide a hand under the center lip to find the safety latch. Push or lift the secondary release while raising the hood smoothly, then secure it with the prop rod or confirm the lift support's hold. Wear gloves to avoid cuts and prop the hood firmly to prevent accidental closure while you work on the engine or check fluid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.